This is a video for the new LG LTCS20020B. This is the black model. This one does not come with an ice maker, but you can get it with an ice maker. You can add an ice maker later if you so desire. So the temperature settings here. One set to 3 and it's already freezing. Put a bottle of water in there just to give you an idea of the size. This is 20.3 cubic feet total. Got vent adjustments here. The door space. I'll show you the fridge. Handles here. Plenty of room for gallon jugs in the door. Top and bottom both gallon jugs. Fairly deep. 2 fruit and vegetable drawers. 3 shelves. There's the temperature settings in here. Got a nice light up top. It's LED, so I never have to change the bulb. And that's pretty much it. Good deal. I paid $6.29 at Lowe's for this with the free delivery. Can't beat that. Subscribe if you like this.